How to prepare your new home before moving in. Checklist. Hello and welcome to Harry the Mover Relocation Guide. Moving into a new home is exciting, but let's make sure it's smooth, stress-free, and perfectly prepared. Whether you're moving across Melbourne or interstate, this checklist will help you turn your new house into a cozy, safe, and organized home. Let's dive in. Tip 1: The walkthrough. First, never skip the walkthrough. Before moving a single box, inspect every corner. Check repairs, test outlets, and make sure included items, like appliances, are there. Spot mold, pest issues, lawn overgrown? Address them now. Pro tip: measure doorways to avoid "will this couch fit?" Panic later. Tip 2: Pre-moving essentials. Next, tackle the boring but essential stuff. Transfer utilities, electricity, internet, gas, ASAP. Pack smart, label boxes, declutter, and keep an inventory. Bonus: donate what you don't need. Less to unpack means more time enjoying your new space. Tip 3: Safety first. Got kids or pets? Child-proof sharp edges, lock cabinets, and secure fences. Pets love routine. Set up their bed and toys early to help them adjust. Because nothing matters more than their safety and your peace of mind. Tip 4: Deep clean and repairs. Now, roll up those sleeves. Scrub floors, sanitize bathrooms, and dust every shelf. Replace worn-out locks for security. Fix leaky taps or cracked tiles now. Unless you love surprise chores later. Tip 5: Meet the neighbors. Finally, say hello. Neighbors can offer local tips, emergency sugar, or even help carry boxes. A quick intro builds community and might score you a moving day coffee. That's your move-in checklist covered. Need help moving? Harry the Mover makes it easy, professional, reliable, and stress-free. Subscribe for more tips and visit harrythemover.com.au for full moving guides. Links below. Happy moving!